What is going on YouTube? Back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to talk about the recent slide or movement within most of the major cryptocurrencies. As of literally yesterday, big swings, big movements across the board on a lot of these cryptocurrencies. XRP really saw the front of this major run to the upside here. Now, obviously, this happened on the 4-hour chart, so what goes up comes down just as quickly, but we definitely made some good, sizable progress here. It might not look like it, and I'm sure we're going to get flack in the comments here, but ideally we started the break to the upside, which is incredible, even though we slid lower here, which is fun. That's why we moved our stop losses up real quickly here. We now are back above our uptrend in blue, which is very exciting and definitely good news across the board for XRP holders. Moving forward from that, Ethereum has now started its ascent to the upside here, which is also incredible, and I'm very excited for that to happen as well. You can see that we are starting to swing to the upside here, also bullish. Bitcoin as well is starting to retest its moving average. The S&P has also decided to slightly head up. Even though we saw us dip down a bit, we are indirectly heading higher up. This is definitely good news if you ask me, and I'll explain a little bit more about what that means in a minute with you guys. But across the board, everything is looking really, really, really good if you ask me here. Big movements on XRP, big movements on Ethereum, big movements on Bitcoin slightly over the past coming days. But with all of that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as you can see here on my channel, yesterday we saw a very sizable swing across the board within specifically, XRP. I wrote right here, XRP Ripple holders, the breakout has started. Still time for the 4-hour bull run. We caught this really early in the morning here. You can see if I pull it up what the actual title says. The 4-hour bull flag has broken, and we are starting to slide up, which is very exciting. You can clearly see it here. I mean, we showed it in 2 days ago. You can see clearly the descending fractal, the bull flag forming here, and then you can see that breakout actually taking place. So we caught on to it early. We were able to capitalize off the run. Obviously, it's a 4-hour chart. So I said it in yesterday's video, and I will say it again. It is an extremely aggressive buy-in opportunity, a get in and get out scenario here. It is not something you buy into and then wait days in expecting to make money. And I'll explain more about that in a second. Now, as we can see on the top 10 cryptocurrencies, we're up about 0.15%, which is very nice, as you guys can see. You can see uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. Lots of these things are starting to slide us up higher. 0.29%, 0.7%. XRP is down 2.3%, but we're up 1.67%. Like, everything is inevitably moving higher, which is exciting if you ask me. Things are starting to slide up. You are starting to have this ascent to the upside here. Is it a remarkable explosion? Are we shooting to the upside in, flying colors? No, but we are starting to move up, and I do strongly believe we are going to continue to move up, mainly because, as you guys know, as I've said before, September is inherently a bearish month. For historically, year after year after year, September has not led to many good uptrends in movement here, but what we do see is October, November, December being fairly bullish, actually largely bullish towards the end of the month here. As we start to enter the holiday season, things start to head to the upside here, which is exciting if you ask me, and I'd likely believe we are going to start to see prices move us up higher as we near, October, which is literally tomorrow. We'll enter October 1st, which is incredible, and then we'll start to see these movements head up even higher. Now, as you guys were saying, and I already know, I didn't even check the comments, but I already know you guys are going to be like, well, we already fell, and we just saw up, so you're wrong because the bull run isn't starting because we're already falling. Well, guess what? I mean, this was a 4-hour candle here, so you had 4 hours. Here's another one, 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours. I mean, it's almost a day of just this movement here. I mean, once we saw, it goes even more past here. We have another 4. We have the confirmation right here. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Literally, you had 24 hours, one full day to complete this. And then we have the beautiful star doji candle forming here, or a reversal doji, which would have said, all right, guys, time reversal doji right here. As you guys can see, the time to get out of it. I mean, it is so obvious here when the opportunity is to buy in, when the opportunity is to get out. I think it's called a shooting star doji, or shooting star candlestick, doji candle here. It doesn't even matter, but it's typically a representation of reversal. You can see it clear as day here. These big wicks is a representation of, all right, prices are going to reverse, prices are going to flip. So it was a very clear, obvious, easy indicator of when we hit the peak, when we should be selling out, or where we should be moving a stop loss up to. So we had many hours to get in. The second we saw the confirmation break us, I mean, we were in this channel. We're talking many days, hours of this consolidation. You could see this is a total of 53 bars, each bar representing 4 hours here of trending in this bull flag, which is, textbook bullish. We are in here not being able to break through the price ceiling, the top resistance here. Well, guess what? Once we saw that confirmation, that was the opportunity to get in and leverage to the upside here. That's what we did. We took advantage of it. Huge runs to the upside here. Well, guess when the opportunity is that we sell out or we put that stop loss up right where we have our reversal shooting star doji. What is this a representation of? A reversal in the market. Shooting star candles represent reversals in the market. It's to look literally how to use shooting star candlestick pattern to find trend reversals. This is the trend reversal. Clear as day here, clear as day on XRP, the opportunity to get out. This is again, this is an aggressive chart on the 4-hour candle. We're looking at the 4-hour charts here. This is a very quick get in and get out aggressive thing, as I've said consistently here. But what it does open up opportunity to is the daily charts here, which show even more positive movements to the upside here. I'm a very strong believer long term. As you guys know, I don't like to, it's boring just sitting around waiting for market movements here, which is why I've been kind of throwing out a bone here and there, talking about 4-hour, some short-term opportunities in the market here. But long term, I am extremely bullish here, moving to the upside here. Now, obviously, we take advantage of the BidFi trades, the XRP trades, on BidFi here. BidFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you can possibly think of is offered on BidFi to take advantage of, which is highly recommended that you check out down in the description below. If you do decide to sign up to BidFi, you can earn up to $2,888 completely free with that link down in the description below. What's even cooler is, like I said, they offer XRP to leverage trade. Literally click derivatives, click XRP. You can buy long, you can sell short, you can create your take profits, you can create your stop losses. Everything you'd want on an exchange is offered here. This is where we make these XRP trades. Now, moving forward from that, obviously BidFi down in the description below. I am long-term bullish on here. We are undervalued on XRP's daily here. I'm a very strong believer we are going to see a reversal, as we've seen multiple major bull flags swing us up even higher and higher and higher and higher. So I likely think that that's what's going to happen here as we start to retest moving average very soon. We luckily yesterday confirmed closure above our blue resistance level here, and I'd likely think we're going to continue to see that swing us to the upside here. So I am excited to see what's to come in the market, what's to come in XRP. I'm a very strong believer we are going to be moving up much higher here. It's only a matter of time long term, but short term we had that 4-hour opportunity to buy in, get out, lock in some profits, take advantage of that. Beyond that, we even have Ethereum here, which is slowly moving up to the Ethereum high. You can see this is something I've anticipated, expected, and we were waiting for quite some time now. It was a crypto that I said consistently I'm kind of steering away from, as it's kind of a little wonky here, but it is something that we suspected moving up to moving average here and then getting back inside the ascending fractal in red right here, in blue right here. So the fact that we're already starting to see higher movements is no surprise to me. I likely thought we'd move up to moving average as we were undervalued for, who knows how long here. And this descending fractal is statistically bullish here. Bitcoin, very similar. We're in some sort of descending fractal here. You can see kind of the stair-stepping pattern here, which could either A, knock us down lower, then break out, or break out right here. So it depends. There's a lot of resistance here that would say we're going to fall lower. We are trading at like 55 in the RSI. We do have a price ceiling, a downtrend, and moving average acting as lots of resistance, but I'd likely think a run out of this is due. Whether it happens here or whether it happens here, a run nevertheless is going to happen in October to see new highs. Same thing goes with the S&P. S&P is we're bottoming out at oversold, and we are intertwined with this moving average, but I'd likely think we are soon going to break out of here. I mean, is it possible we can go into undervalued? Yeah, obviously, but I'd likely think this scenario of a run is more than likely going to happen here than a dump. We're oversold, likely that we'll teeter-totter on here, and then we'll see that break. That's what I likely think is going to happen, but we'll see. But with that all being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.